Burnout is more than just being tired. It is a state of complete physical and emotional exhaustion. It happens when you have been running on empty for far too long. You might feel cynical, detached, and unable to accomplish simple tasks. The first step to recovering from burnout is acknowledging that you are burnt out. You cannot push through burnout. Pushing is what got you here. Recovery requires radical rest and stepping back from responsibilities. This might mean taking time off work if you can, or asking for help at home. Sleep is your most important tool for recovery right now. Allow yourself to sleep as much as your body demands. Disconnect from technology and the constant stream of information. Focus on basic nourishment, eat well, and stay hydrated. Do not try to be productive during your recovery time. Productivity is the enemy of rest when you are burnt out. Slowly reintroduce gentle activities that bring you joy, not stress. Maybe that's reading a book, taking a slow walk, or listening to music. Rebuilding your energy reserves takes time. Be incredibly patient. When you do return to your normal routine, things must change. You have to implement strict boundaries to prevent it from happening again. Burnout is your body's loud warning sign. Listen to it. Give yourself the permission to truly rest and heal.